Hi guys, I am Rakesh. Today we are going to discuss our replica set. So, replica set ensures how many replica of pod should be running, and it can be considered as a replacement of replication controller. The key difference between the replica set and replication controller is the replication controller only supports equality based selector, whereas the replica set support set based selector. Okay, so I have taken an example, like for a replication controller we are using like equal means environment, then that is production, or type up we are writing in that way. But in replica set we can use multiple environment in production or QA separated by comma, like that we can use. So another difference will be seen in deployment. I will tell this point in deployment. So as yesterday you saw a replication controller, today we are going to modify that replication controller YML file. There is no much difference, so I am going to update the replication controller file without wasting our time. So guys, here in the place of API version we will have to change it to like apps apps/v1. okay. If you ask me how you will get this, let me show you how what should be the version, how we will get that. Okay, so for that we are having one command, kubectl API -resource. Okay, you can see everything here. So you can see deployment replica set. Yes, this is the replica set. You can see apps/v1. okay, suppose it is deployment, then you have apps/v. so you can see for replication controller it was v1. so in this way, from here you can get this value. Okay, so let's edit the replica set YML file. So first one we wrote that apps/v1, then kind, what will be the kind? Kind will be replica set. Okay, then metadata here we just change the name rs to rc. let rs is good one only, replica set, so rs it will be good. So then number of replicas 3, here type equal to app, here what we need to do, let me tell you. Replicas 3, then we will have to add selector. we will have to selector here. Under selector you need to add match label. Okay, so match label you will have to put the label. So as in template the label is up, so it should be same as match label will be same as this label, template label. Okay, so you will have to put type equal to up. Okay, then what else we can add? Like match label, we can add match expression also. Under match label, same way we can add match expression. Okay, so if you want to add multiple container, then this should be copied. This should be copied here. Okay, and you have to change the container name or whatever, but for now we are taking one only. Now I am going to save it. Here only the difference is we added a selector, this one, and here kind will be ReplicaSet and application version will be apps v1. That's it. There is nothing much difference between ReplicaSet and a replication controller of YML file. Okay, so let's see if the service is running or not. kubectl get svc. So node post service is not running, we are going to run it, not a problem. Then kubectl get pods. Let's see if there is any pod running. No, there is no running pod we can see. So let's create the pod. Okay, for ReplicaSet, for that the command is kubectl create -f, then your file name new replicaset.yml. Sorry guys, here I wrote replica, so it should be replica. Okay, human error happens guys, so we are not God. So guys, we will have to change here ReplicaSet. Okay, so let's run the command again. In match labels, L should be capital. Again one more mistake need to be here. Yes, indentation should be always proper and there should not be any mistake. Yes, now your ReplicaSet got created. Let's see kubectl get rs. You can see 3 ReplicaSet has already been created. Then kubectl get pods. Okay, 3 created. Guys, before that let me let's create the service first. Okay, kubectl create -f, then your ReplicaSet name, sorry, service YML file. Okay, service has been created. kubectl get svc. So the pod here is 31940. Okay, so let's try to hit this. port number is 31940. 31940. Guys, you can see we have successfully we are successfully able to connect from to outside the cluster. So this port was open and we successfully connected with the node port. So let me show you one thing here. kubectl get pods hyphen show hyphen labels. You can see the label were up. If you change the label from up to something else, then we will not able to access this from outside the cluster. So we must remember one thing, that label should be same, where it is replica set or replica controller, replication controller or deployment. So the label should always be same. This is how we can do. So if one more thing I can I will show you here, that is I missed to tell you before, that is scaling. So how we can scale up and scale down in replica set, replica controller or deployment we can do. Okay, so the command will be kubectl scale replica set, then your replica set name. Oh sorry, I put in the command wrongly. kubectl scale rs, then your replica set name, then hyphen replicas equal to 3 equal to 10. You can put we are having the replica set count was 3, now we are going to make it 10. Okay, mistake again, sorry. Here I put replica, actually it should be replicas equal to 10. Yes, you can see scaled successfully. So let's see now the number of pod. kubectl get pods, you can see 10 pod got created. Okay guys, if I make it 2, done. Let me show now, change to 2. Okay, let me make it 50. Number of pod is 50 now. Let me make it 1. You can see all are getting terminated. See, all are getting terminated and only one running pod is there. Okay, so this is how we can do scale up and scale down in replication controller, replica set, deployment, everywhere we can use this. Okay, whenever we are doing any scale up or scale down, there will not be any affection of this here in URL. You can able to access this URL. Thank you guys. I hope you understand the concept of replica set. If you understand properly the replica set concept, then it will be easy for you to get the idea of our deployment. Deployment is very similar with replica set. Okay, thank you guys. If you have any doubt, please put your question on comment box. I will try to help you.